Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is going to be another recreating one of my old designs. So this one here is my 10-year challenge, and you guys love this video and just appreciated me showing you an old design and recreating it. So I'm going to be doing that again today with this zebra and flower design from 2009. And yeah, I was really into animal prints back then. Like I don't know what's going on. But I'm going to be recreating this design but giving it a modern twist. All right, so these are my nails and they look hit, y'all. I filed down my previous nail design, and in the midst of filing, I broke my pinky nail off, so I have to reform that. So I'm just going to use a nail form to go ahead and make me a new nail on my pinky. And I'm just going to use the clear acrylic to go ahead and form that. But if you want a step-by-step of how I do this with nail forms, I'll be sure to link the video down below. Alright, so for the rest of the nails, I just need to do a fill in, and I'm going in with my dehydrator and primer, and I'm just going to use the natural pink acrylic, and we're just going to go ahead and fill in the nail and also just kind of build up the nail a little bit. Every time I file down my previous nail design, the nail gets kind of thin, so you just got to build it back up with acrylic. And I always get questions when I do these fill-ins about like what tips and stuff that I use. So these aren't nail tips. I went ahead and formed a clear base, and then I just do my nail designs, and then once I want to change them out, I use my e-file to go ahead and file them down back to that clear base, and that is what you guys see here. I just like the nail forms better for me because I just feel like the shape is just more natural and narrow. And from my experience, when I do my nails with nail forms, they grow out better. Like sometimes when I do tips, when my natural nail starts to grow out, it kind of lifts away from the tip, and I don't really like that. So I like nail forms because they just grow out very clean, and I'm able to make those sets last longer. And the brush I'm using is a number 8 oval Kolinsky brush from Alpha. I will leave the links down below. Alright, so this is after all of the acrylic is laid and I have filed, shaped, and buffed. So now I'm going in with this white gel polish from Madam Glam. And as I stated, I wanted to do the design with a modern twist. So I'm just going to do the animal print on my middle and ring fingernail. So taking that gel polish, I wanted it to kind of line up when I, have my nails facing me. So that is why I kind of just started off with the outline like that. And then I'm just going to do 2 coats of the white gel polish, making sure to kind of keep it nice and even. And then using my cleanup brush to make that line extra crisp and to get any excess gel polish from my fingernail. All right, so after doing 2 coats of that white gel polish, I'm going to take this pink gel polish, and this is called Barbie Girl. And I'm taking my Alpha striper brush, and I'm just going to use that to do my zebra stripes. So when I first attempted this, as you can see, those lines are super thick. And the key is using like a good brush, a good nail art brush. So the lines are coming out way better this time. And as I stated, I did want to do this kind of modern because I just feel like having the zebra print on all the nails is just like so dated. And I do still have to walk around with these nails on. So I just thought doing it on 2 of the nails would be more of this time period. Constantly going back and forth using that detail brush, and it's all in like the pressure that you use. So obviously the more pressure you put down, the thicker the line would be, and then the less pressure is when you have the nice thin lines. So I'm just going back and forth between that, and once I like it, I'm just going to go ahead and cure in my LED lamp. And now I'm going in with the black gel polish, and I'm just going to go over those lines to kind of give it some depth. I just feel like doing the black only kind of look dated as well. So this is just my updated recreation of that '09 mess. It is so fun to look back on my old work. Like, I haven't looked at this stuff in a long time. And I'm just appreciative that you guys like it. Like, you know, we all start from somewhere. All right, so after adding that black and curing that, I'm just going to paint the rest of my nails with that beautiful pink that we used for the first round of the zebra stripes. And of course, cleaning up before I cure. So after that, I'm going in with my Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat, and I'm going to apply that on my middle and ring fingernail because I'll be doing some 3D art, and I just like to do the 3D art on top of the top coat. So using these Mia Secret pink and yellow acrylic, I am going to recreate the flowers. The first time I used paint, but I decided that it would look so bomb if I would do it in 3D flowers. So that is what I'm doing here. And I really like how the 3D flowers turned out. I think they're super, super cute. But yeah, I just left all of this in and kind of just sped it up so you guys can see how I actually create these flowers. As you can see, sometimes the beads aren't right, so I'll just go ahead and take those off and try again. So I first went in with this yellow acrylic, but it was a little too dark. So I wanted to use a brighter one. So I ended up switching it out and using this super bright citrus color. And I used that to make the center of the flowers. So after that, I just went ahead and applied the top coat to the rest of the nails and cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm applying cuticle oil, and this is the finished look. I really like this modern twist on a old design. I think this turned out really cute. It's been a long time since I've done some animal print, and I think I'm going to start incorporating it in my nail designs. So yeah, guys, if you just feel like, you're just starting off and your work is not all that great, just keep at it. Now, it's not going to take 10 years. Like, you're going to see improvement like much sooner, but this is just a fun way for me to look back at my work and to share it with you all. So yeah, that was 2009 and this is 2019. And as you guys can see, much improvement. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to lawncareprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one.